Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at two questions about photosynthesis and how best to approach these. Now, before we do that, don't forget that we've got all your essential Key Stage 3 Science downloads that will accompany and enhance your revision and exam results, and they're available on our website at www.inmyelement-uk.com, and you can go and look specifically at videos on photosynthesis, and then you can find the digital downloads to support those if you need a bit more help. Right, today this question here is about leaves. So you've got a question that says, here are two types of plants and they have different types of leaf. One is a variegated and one is a normal leaf. The variegated leaf means that it's got two different colours, okay? And you can see that one is a darker green than the other. Chlorophyll makes a plant leaf green. They've given you a key bit of information here that is really, really important. Okay, and then it goes on to say, after a period of time, the plant with the normal leaves had grown more than those with the variegated leaves. All the plants have been grown in the same conditions. So that's telling you that they've had the same amount of water, carbon dioxide, similar temperature, okay, same nutrients. Explain why the plants with the variegated leaves grow less than the plants with the normal leaves. So, basically, the variegated leaves have less chlorophyll. So we need to write that. So the variegated leaves have less chlorophyll. And then you need to link that all to photosynthesis. Okay, so if they've got less chlorophyll, they absorb less light. So if they absorb less light, so less food is made during photosynthesis. Okay, so you are linking the green and the chlorophyll to the absorption of light. So the green and the chlorophyll, the absorption of light, all linked to photosynthesis. And that very simply is your answer. Okay, quite a high level question there, and then you'll get 2 marks. Okay, question 2. The drawings below are showing the trees in a woodland area at the beginning of May and the end of June. All right, you can notice, look at the difference between the 2 images. You can notice in the one in May, look, there's a lot less leaves and they're smaller. Here in June, there's a lot more. So why does the amount of light reaching the woodland floor decrease during June? Is to say that there are leaves. Okay, there are leaves. That's part A. Or what you can say is that the leaves are bigger. Okay, you're just saying how they're blocking it. All right, you're just saying why it's reducing it. What you can't say is that the trees block the light. So you're just saying how they're decreasing how the amount of light reaches the floor. They don't want you to use the word blocking. Right, and then they go on for part B, and they want 2 marks for this question, for this answer. You find plants growing on the floor in the woodland. Explain why these plants are able to grow bigger and faster when there is more light. So this is all about links. You need to say what light is needed for. So we know that light is needed for photosynthesis. Okay, that's the first marking point. So you state the obvious on what you need the light for. That's 1 point. Okay, and then you could say, to get the second mark actually, you could just put in the word more. So light is needed for more photosynthesis. Or you can remove that and say light is needed for photosynthesis, which makes glucose or food. Okay, that helps them to grow. That's what they're looking for, that the light is needed for the photosynthesis, which makes the glucose. If you wanted to finish off that, you could say to help the plants grow. Okay. But that bit there isn't necessary. It just finishes off your answer a little bit better. Okay, we hope you found those couple of questions helpful on photosynthesis. Go and check out our other videos if you need any extra tips on it. We'll see you again soon. Did you know that you can purchase biology worksheets and answer sheets and checklists which accompany all our science revision lessons? These are created for years 7, 8 and 9. They're essential digital downloads and they're grouped by topic and are available from our online shop at inmyelement-uk.com. If you've got any questions, please just drop me an email and I'll be happy to help.